Hi, today I'm going to show you how to delete a blank page from a document in Word. So at the moment I've opened my Word program and I've put in 3 pages, and in the centre here is the blank page that we want to get rid of. So in order to do this is quite simple, but in order to do it with any kind of document, whether you've got an image or a table or a graph or anything like that, then if you just quickly understand what's going on in your document, then you'll be able to do it with any a variety of different documents that you might be using. So if you open the Home tab here and you go to this icon here, then all of these different icons will appear, and these are to show you how you've constructed your document. So the little dots here are spaces, and these icons here are return keys. So if I was to go up here and just simply start to type, then you can see that it's just an ordinary line where I've just pressed the return key in order to space this out to the next page. If I was to press the delete key, then you can see how my page would then move my titles on the 3rd page. Now don't worry about what these have done, because all I've done is centre my page, so I've just used this icon here to centre everything. So in order to get rid of this blank page here, effectively all we've got to do is to get rid of all of these return spaces. So the quickest and easiest way to do that is to simply click and highlight and press delete. Now, as you can see, we've now got rid of the 2nd page. Now, just to show you again, without this icon being highlighted, if you want to get rid of this centre page here, or any blank page in your document, all you simply do is go to the bottom of your page and click and highlight any icons that might be in that page. They might be tabs, return keys, spaces. It will highlight everything, and press delete, and it will get rid of your page. Now if it doesn't get rid of your page, usually it's because it's got an extra icon or a space bar or something that's at the bottom. So that's why I suggest you go right down to the lower right hand side, put your cursor there and literally click and drag all the way up to the top left corner to highlight any other features that you might have used, and then press the delete key. Now as you can see, my title hasn't quite gone up to that top bit, which is fine. I just delete that return key at the top there, and then I've got my document where I want it. Now sometimes what you will have done is you will have organised your document and decided to put a page break in. So if we just go up to the Home and go along to Insert, and then go to Add a blank page, what will happen is if we just go back up to the Home page and go to this icon here, you will see that they have inserted a page break. Now obviously you haven't got all of the return keys down here, but if you want to get rid of this page here, you have to delete the page break. And the way to do that is to drag and highlight the page break and press delete. And then on this page here, just to clean up your document, do exactly the same and just press delete. And now you'll have a free-flowing document again, and you've deleted your blank page. Just a quick and simple video today, but if it has helped, then please subscribe and have a great day.